Succession planning is kind of like a hurricane out in the ocean. We know it's coming. If the hurricane hits really hard, it can be a pretty significant dip in performance. When we talk about business performance as being a component of succession planning, I think a natural question can be, why are we looking at business performance? Aren't we supposed to be looking at what a transition to the next generation looks like? Well, business performance is sort of fundamental to succession. In fact, the root word of succession is success. And so business performance is all about achieving success. And achieving succession is about achieving ongoing success, right? It's just going to continue on and on and on. And we know from our research and from other people's research and our experience, we know that succession planning is kind of like a hurricane out in the ocean. We know it's coming. We've got time to plan for it, but it is coming. We don't know exactly how it's going to hit or when it's going to hit or, at what speed or what. We know it's going to hit. So we've got time to plan for this thing. And there's a pretty predictable dip in productivity and profitability when you go through a succession transition, especially if it's a traumatic event. If the hurricane hits really hard, it can be a pretty significant dip in performance. And so we think that your performance margin needs to be high enough to withstand that dip in productivity and profitability in order to continue the success that the business has been built on.